days. I forgot to put in the coffee. It just might be one of those days.
Are you 8 months old today? Are you 8 months old?
Good morning. I feel like I say good morning even if it's not morning. It's actually like 1 o'clock. But today I thought I would just pick up my room while Julia she's not asleep. She's supposed to be sleeping. Now, if only I could find my tripod. My house is such a wreck, you guys. But it's like, how many times can I pick it up before I just don't care anymore? Like, for a minute. Like, it's not the end of the world. Pick it up. Then what? You just sit and stare at it all day? I don't get it. My room is kind of a mess. Alright guys, now that my kitchen is, you know, workable, I'm gonna put dinner in the crock pot. And tonight I am making the chicken stuffing and green beans. Ooh girl, it's so good. Let me just. Okay, so for this recipe you need a box of stuffing, a can of cream of chicken, green beans. I use fresh, you can use frozen. Actually, the recipe calls for frozen. Sour cream, chicken. We buy the frozen bag of chicken breasts from Walmart. I'm gonna spray it first. And I got these big chicken breasts. I'm just feeding my family, Dakota and I, for tonight. God bless. Okay, I think it's gonna be okay. Actually, I'm gonna put 4 chicken breasts in there. 2, put some garlic salt in here. Some pepper. And some Italian seasoning. You can put whatever you want. I know what would be really good is that Hidden Valley Ranch packet would probably be okay. Ooh, I like this angle. Okay, so then we're going to pour the stuffing on top. I just got the chicken flavor stuffing. Going to take a bowl. Let me show you what it looks like. Pour the chicken on, or the stuffing on top. Take a bowl. We are going to grab 3/4 cups of sour cream. Not right on top of the crock pot, in a bowl. So there's 2. And I'm gonna add a little bit of extra sour cream just because why not, you know? So 3/4 cup of sour cream. We're gonna do a 1/3 cup of water. If you're using fresh green beans, you could put them in a little bit later because I like my green beans crunchy, but I'm gonna just see how this works. And then next time, if I think that they should go in later, then I'll just put them in later. I really don't mind. I would eat my green beans like soggy or crunchy. I love green beans, so. Patty cake, baker's man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. Roll it, pat it, and mark you with the J. Oh, her found foam. Oh, say hi. Oh. Say hi. Say hi. Juliet is awake from her nap. She says hi. I have some wine. Dixie says hi. Dakota is home from work. And we are going to check on our crock-pot dinner. All right, that's enough. All right, here it is. It's been in for about 3.5 hours, and it says to cook for 4 hours. So I did mention something about using fresh green beans instead of frozen. But what I didn't think about is the frozen green beans are already cooked, so definitely put those in. And I would even mix them around because they're still a little undercooked. So we're gonna let that cook and start on the mashed potatoes. Alright guys, so dinner is ready. I'm going to show you what it looks like all on the plate. And it smells so good. I just made some mashed potatoes to go with this meal. And Juliet is now 8 months old today. Yay! She's getting so big. She does eat everything we eat. We just do baby-led weaning. So we just give her everything that we eat. And she eats everything. So yes, so we've been doing baby-led weaning since Juliet was 6 months old, and she loves it. We are actually following the rule, just like Dixie, whoever you are, Dixie, manners, Dixie, down. Sit down. Okay, anyway, oh, we are following, I can't have anything around here, you guys. Oh, you're so sweet, baby. Anyway, okay. We are following the rule from 6 to 9 months. This is a rule I heard on a parenting podcast, baby-led weaning. From 6 to 9 months, they only get 1 meal a day, and then from 9 to 12 months, they get 2 meals a day, and then once they turn 12 months old, they can go to cow's milk and eat 3 meals a day. So that is what we're doing right now. I do give her a snack around, like, when I do give her a snack, probably around 12:30 or noon. Or I mean 12:30 or 1 is when I usually will eat. If I don't eat, I'll still give her a snack in that time. And we usually have something like strawberries, yogurt, and I give her like Greek yogurt frozen, and like I put them in a Ziploc bag, then I cut off the corner and pipe little dots on some wax paper, and then I freeze it, and then that's usually her snack with her strawberries. So that's something that she really likes to snack on. I also have pureed in pouches zucchini, apple, and plum. So that's what I made together, and she loves that as well. Alright, you guys, that is all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like this video if you want to see more baby-led weaning videos, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.